Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question I've seen a lot lately, and that is CAD Sketcher for Blender dead? Has development stopped? And has the package been abandoned? I've seen this in emails, I've read messages, and it's clear that there's some confusion out there. So it's not surprising that people are worried when it seems like updates go quiet. So is the development of CAD Sketcher dead? Let's go straight to the source and have a look at the GitHub pages. So when we look at the GitHub project for CAD Sketcher, it does in fact look like the development has stalled somewhat. But if we look deeper, instead of looking at the main branch, we look at the other branches. We can see an active branch called SLVS package. And in here, we see it's been updated 4 days ago. If we look deeper, we can see some activity around the use official solver space Python package. And if we look to the top, we see the pull 504. And this is where the story unfolds. As you can see, this details the development, which has been going on since March the 6th, all the way up to the 4 days ago. So this looks like quite an extensive change that's going on. I know from being in the development space myself, that dealing with updates to packages or moving from unofficial to official releases is quite a laborious task. But it also shows that there's progression. If you look through the information, you can see how much work has been put in. So in my honest opinion, CAD Sketcher isn't dead, and development is still continuing. Here's the thing about open source software. People building it are often volunteers who are doing this in their spare time, usually with a day job, families, and other commitments. Compare that to paid software companies who have full-time developers. You always feel like open source tools are moving slower, but that doesn't mean they've been abandoned. In fact, projects like CAD Sketcher are only possible because of passionate contributors who believe in sharing powerful tools with the world. If you love CAD Sketcher and want to see it grow, here's how you can help. You can contribute, whether that be code, testing, bug reports, or documentation. If the devs have a Patreon or donation link, then that's a great way to support the project financially. So to wrap it up, no, CAD Sketcher isn't dead, it's alive and evolving, but not at the speed of a full-time commercial team. That's totally normal in the open source world. If you're new to CAD Sketcher, now's a great time to experiment with it. And if you're already using it, be patient, be supportive, and remember it's people like you and me that keep projects like this alive. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.